Hi everyone, welcome to EasyEDA. Today I'll show you how to set up the common library in detail. When you open a schematic or PCB, you'll see the common library on the left. It comes with over 100 built-in libraries. These are the system libraries. Here you can set how many items show in one group. This button here is the refresh button. Click it to reload all libraries. You can also open the setting menu, go to System, then click Common Library to configure it. Click the plus icon to add a personal library. The search bar at the top lists your found parts. For example, I pick this one. OK, cancel. Now it's added. By default, it remembers the last category you used. You can double-click to rename it. Next is the group option. It controls whether parts with the same group name are combined into one drop-down. For example, I set this to group A. Then check this box to decide if the part appears in the schematic and PCB common libraries. Note: only parts with both a schematic symbol and a footprint will show because they are linked. Click Apply and the system will generate thumbnails. It takes a moment, so be patient. There are two view modes. By default, personal libraries shows first, then system libraries. When loading is done, you'll see your personal library at the top. Switch to the system library, and it will scroll automatically. For example, when looking at capacitors, you will see two drop-downs. The first shows the model, the second shows the package. You can switch between them and click to place the part on the canvas. In PCB view, it works the same. The common library is still shown on the side, and clicking a part places it directly on the PCB layout. This is great when designing a PCB without a schematic. You can just drag parts and start routing right away.